Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into Rar Zip archives on XIAOMI 12T Pro. So right here I just made some pictures. Now let's open the Rar app we shown you previously on how to download it. Select the folder that contains the files. Pick each of the file. Click on this plus button. You'll enter archiving options. You can change the name or any other settings, but it's not necessary. I'm just gonna go with a different name and click on OK. And that way you'll pack your Rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.